to know that it didn't cost me anything out of pocket. I would definitely recommend Jay and Brent.
Call us. It's just that easy.
Hurt in a car wreck? Call the Insiders at McMahon Law Firm. Call 265-1100.
This is the time of year that you want to get outside and enjoy all that the Chattanooga area has to offer. So does Dr. Keith Haviland. He is here this morning with Patriot Physical Therapy. Nice to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you, Julie. Thank you for having me.
We're going to talk a little bit about what you do at Patriot Physical Therapy.
Right.
You are a boutique office, but I want to talk first about what brought you to Chattanooga, because you just chose this beautiful spot on the map a couple of years ago because you love the outdoors too.
Yeah, I sure do. And Chattanooga, great people, great offering in terms of outdoor activities, whether it's hiking, biking, kayaking, etc. It's a great place to raise your family and enjoy the outdoors.
There's a lot of power in a name, so you chose yours with very good intention. You are a U.S. Army veteran.
Yes, ma'am. 34 years.
So you're veteran owned and operated, and now you're here. So when you talk about being a boutique office, what does that mean exactly?
That's a great question, Julie. So Dr. Summer Haviland, also a doctor of physical therapy, and I, we are the only folks that treat the patients at the clinic. There's no aides, there's no assistants. It's just one-on-one care with your physical therapist so that you have that continuity and ensuring the highest quality of delivery of physical therapy.
That's very important, because it's one thing for a chart to show you something when you go back in, but so much, as I understand it, of physical therapy is the feel. I mean, you have this amazing ability to feel what's happening to your patient. You can't go past that around to random people.
You're exactly right, Julie. And intuition, and certainly there's always creative models that we utilize in physical therapy, and the more experience you have, the better you can lead to quicker results, more efficacious treatment, and ensuring patient satisfaction. And
let's talk, you brought some props with you this morning.
Yeah, sure do.
This shoulder is going to have me interested.
Okay.
Because as I understand it, if you get a shoulder injury, those can be really tricky to fully treat. Is that right?
That's very much correct. As a lot of people will refer to the shoulder as the rotary cuff. That's not quite right. It's the rotator cuff that holds our shoulder together. There's four muscles: the supraspinatus, the infraspinatus, the teres major and minor, and combined together, they allow our movement in our shoulder, which, quite frankly, is beautiful in terms of muscular anatomy and the way everything works together to include the subacromial joints, etc. And so to treat the shoulder and shoulder problems, you really have to know exactly what the injury mechanism is.
Right.
It's sometimes not the rotator cuff. It could be the biceps tendon, long head getting sore from doing overhead activities, etc.
Okay, so most of us do very little overhead activities, and we do a lot more of this activity, right?
Yes.
So is that sort of lack of movement of your shoulder causing problems for people?
You're very intuitive. Yes, correct. Yeah, and not only that, it's the posture, right? Because when you're in a forward lean position, as most of us are when we're looking at our cell phone or tablet, right? It's really hard to maintain a really good posture. You have to really work at it, use your scapular muscles to help retract your shoulders, etc. And that really affects the neck too, because your head is a 15-pound bowling ball, right? And just by leaning it forward 7 degrees, that can increase that weight on the neck muscles to 45 just by physics.
So Tennessee, I don't know about Georgia, but Tennessee is a self-refer state or something like that, which means that you don't have to have a doctor's referral to go to a direct access state. So people can just say, you know what, I want to maybe ward off a problem. You don't even have to have pain to come to see you, right?
That is correct. And a lot of our clients do just walk in or give us a call and say, I have this knee problem and it's really been stopping my mobility. And at Patriot Physical Therapy, we believe in the freedom to move. That's what we believe in. Everyone should have the freedom to move. And just by having direct access here in Tennessee is a real blessing. I'm also the chapter district chair for Chattanooga American Physical Therapy Association and a delegate to the national. So I certainly have my hands on the pulse in terms of the things that the American Physical Therapy Association is doing for all of our physical therapy organizations across the state.
I have about a minute or so left, but since you are veteran owned, do you have a special passion for helping veterans?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, obviously we connect very well with veterans, but the entire community, of course, is welcome into our clinic. June 14th happens to be the Army birthday, 250 years of military excellence, and because it's such an important holiday, June 14th, specifically Flag Day, U.S. Army birthday, during that week of June 10 through 13, we're going to go ahead and offer any veteran a free assessment if they want to call us and let us know they want to come in for that assessment, and we'll do that for them.
Well, we focused on the shoulder this morning. I think I'm sitting up a little bit straighter because of our conversation. But whatever your ache or pain is, there's a good chance that he or his wife, Dr. Summer Haviland, can help you at their boutique office here now in Chattanooga. It's Patriot Physical Therapy. We want to give a big thanks to the Chamber of Commerce for sending them our way today, but you'll find them on Shallowford Road. PatriotPT.com is the website, and there's the phone number, 888-6238. Thanks for your service.
Yeah, thank you very much, Julie. It's a pleasure.
At Onward Chattanooga Homes, Jason Carr and his team bring unmatched knowledge of the neighborhoods you love.
Whether it's Chattanooga or North Georgia, we're not just your agent, we're your neighbors. So let's move onward together.
Call Onward Chattanooga Homes today.
Sound sleep, maximum comfort, and big savings are here during the July 4th bedding sale at Linderman's Furniture. King, queen, and split king adjustable beds up to $1,000 off.